what is Nash equilibrium? It mainly implies the benefit to all, the maximum benefit that can be attained out of two strategies, right? So let's start. Now, this is player 1, this is player 2. Now first we have to find that what is the best opportunity that the player 1 can have given the strategies of player 2. So if assuming that player 2 goes for B1 strategy, so what's the maximum payoff out of A1, A2 and A3? This is 5, isn't it? The maximum payoff when we are assuming that the strategy of player 2 is B2, so this will be 4, 4 basically, not 4, 4 but 4. Then if we assume that player 2 goes for B3 strategy, then the maximum would be this payoff 5. Now let's mark payoff of player 2 with red. So given that player 1 goes with A1 strategy, so maximum would be this one. Okay. Then if we assume that player 1 would go for A2 strategy, then the player 2 should go for again B1 strategy, maximum payoff. And if we assume that player 1 will go for A3 strategy, then the player 2 will go for B2 strategy, right? So the Nash equilibrium will be attained where player 1 goes for A3 strategy and player 2 goes for B2 strategy with a payoff of 4, 4, right? When we achieve this, then no player would be willing to change their strategies. Okay, so the answer would be option 1 in this case.